Fifi, Fev Byron, Evie Jones sitting in Fif's chair. She will be back on Monday and she will not be happy with what's going on here. I can barely hear what they're singing. Here is the noise, guys. Here is Fev's ultimate mystery noise.
Call 131060 now for Fev's ultimate mystery noise.
Everyone knows it because you gave it away on our Instagram.
And what we're going to do is, all the calls are going to come up on my screen, and I'm just going to push one. It's fair for everyone. I'm just going to go bang, and whoever rings up, and I push a button, and they get through.
Right, so
what if they get it wrong?
Well, then we're back tomorrow.
Back tomorrow! Hey! Ready? I'm going to close my eyes, and I'm going to go bang.
Okay.
Oh, you pressed one.
Good morning.
Oh,
And what's your name?
Stephanie.
Stephanie! How are you this morning? Where are you from?
I'm great. How are you?
I'm well.
from St. Andrews.
You're from St. Andrews, beautiful part of the world. How would you like to win $10,000 cold hard cash?
I feel a bit sick.
Do you have kids?
No.
No. You married?
No.
Oh, yes, it's all for
She's
you.
a
My
lot
friend.
to herself.
All right,
Steph, let's have a drink if you win.
for $10,000, Steph, what is the noise?
Removing a baby wipe from the packet.
Tell her she's won.
You won, Steph!
We can't hear the winner because of the band.
How do you feel, Steph? You just won 10 grand. How did you get it?
Oh my God!
I thought my clue.
Just text me, is that you? Yes, it's me.
Well, congratulations, mate. Thanks
stuff.
to
Thank you so much.
Thanks to Coles Express. It's been an amazing journey that lasted a whole of 3 days. And
Less than that,
congratulations to Steph from St. Andrews, who's won $10,000. Congratulations, mate. And to send us out to the break, the Mariachi Band! Woo!
Oh.
Hey!
Thank God that's over.